Hi everyone, I'm Ellie and welcome to A Day in My Life. I always start my day off by heading to Millie's before I go to my photography class. After class, I studied before Jenna picked me up for lunch. I love to stay involved on campus, and today I had a Wesley service meeting where we made dog toys and t-shirt bags for donations. Time for foundations with my friends! I always try to find time to study between classes so I can stay on top of all my work. Into Bio Lab we go. I'm on the pre-nursing track, so I'm in a couple science classes this semester. We always start out with pre-lab, and we learned today that we're observing squirrels around campus. I love Bio Lab because of all the hands-on learning and observations we get to do. And my professor always knows how to make lab and learning fun. Thank you, Professor Raymeyer. Now it's time to head to my work-study job as an admissions ambassador. I love it because I get to give tours to potential students. I got sub connection before going to pre-health club. Tonight we learned how to do sutures, which I could definitely use more practice. Finally, time for some sleep. Thank you so much for following along my day as a busy Simpson student.